Hello everyone. I'm putting together a lamp socket today, so I took it apart to clean it, and it took me quite a while to figure out how to put it back together. This is actually my third try of making a video of putting it back together. So here we go. Okay. This little black thing here, there it is the base. This sits under the light bulb in the socket. There's a little copper tab here, that's for the hot wire, and a screw terminal here. And here's the switch that slides back and forth. It's got a little hole in the middle of it. And then this goes in here like that. And it just slides back and forth. Now here's where I've been having trouble. This little piece of metal that's shaped like a T. Just a piece of metal. Doesn't conduct electricity or anything, it just helps move things. Goes in here. Man's in the way. Goes in here like that. And when you move the switch, it goes back and forth like that. As you can't see it, but there's a little valley in the bottom, a little V channel that the bottom of the T sits in, and it hinges in that little channel. But the camera can't see it because it's black plastic. Then this piece of copper. This is the actual switch here. This piece of copper has got a little tab here. The little tab faces down. So this is what the top looks like. And it goes in here. The little wings on it go in these two little channels. Like that. So when you push the switch this way, it goes up. You pull the switch back, it goes back down. And that's all there is to it. Get in the light there. Try to help it out because it doesn't have a spring on it right now. That's the inside of a lamp switch. Then this is what you see in the middle of the bottom of the socket. This little tab of metal right here is what the conductor on the end of the bulb sits on. Under it is this little spring. The little spring sends power up to the bulb, and it's also what helps move everything in the switch. So the bent end, the end that bends over on the spring, goes on the opposite side from that piece of copper up top right there. And it just sits down right like that. And then the switch works. And here's a look inside. You can see the little copper tab move up. There it is. And move back down. And that's how the switch works. Up and down. And up and down. Okay. Believe it or not, it took me half an hour to figure that out. Then this is the negative contact. It's just the ring that the bulb screws into. Sits down on top. Oh, it goes that way, okay. Sits down on top like that. And then these little screws. I need a pair of pliers for this. My fingers are too fat. Little screw goes right in here. Come on, play nice. Ah, you don't want to play nice, do you? Okay. Goes in here. Come on, man. I'm trying to make a how-to video for a light bulb. Because I'm dumb and it took me forever to figure it out. I'm sure there's other dumb people who can't figure it out. Which is the purpose of this here video. It doesn't want to go together. There it goes, maybe. Come on. Get in there. There we go. Thank you. Just putting in a screw, nothing exciting. There. Alright. Make sure the switch still works before I go for trouble putting in the other one. And it does. Off, on, cool. And then this is the screw terminal for the negative. Just a little screw terminal, nothing to it. And this screw, I use my pliers again. This screw contacts the outside ring and it gives the light bulb the negative. Goes right down there. Trying to hold a whole bunch of little pieces in place at once here. There we go. Okay. Now here it is, roughly assembled. I just need to hook up the wires to it and put it in the can.